Hey, Abram, you want to tell them where we're going today?
We are going to see how farmers shear sheep.
Yep. And Abram wanted to show y'all some blooms we have in the yard. We got these pretty blooms.
I want to tell something too.
You want to tell something too?
Also that tree cut down and I saw down here.
Yep. That tree down there got cut down. Sure did. And our neighbors, the abandoned house finally got bought and they're finally fixing it up. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Hopefully we get to walk through. Yes, and this is the side of our house. We did this when it snowed, but they have loved driving their trucks and stuff down it. So we've left it, and William likes to dive down and slide down it. All right, let's get in the car. We got to drop stuff off at the post office, marketplace.
Wait.
Yep, we got to run some errands, and then we're heading out. It's about an hour away. Everything's about an hour away. Here we're driving through Land Between the Lakes, which is between the Cumberland and Tennessee rivers, located in Tennessee and in Kentucky, plus close to the Ohio and Mississippi rivers. Now we're turning into the home place, which is a 1850s working farm and living history museum. Represents a 2-generation farm. Every year, the second Saturday of April is when they always shear the sheep for the year. They only shear them once a year, and my son loves sheep, so we decided to go this year and watch them do it. The building you see on your right is actually where you go in to pay for your ticket to get into the museum. We're here at the home place. We're going to go in for our sheep shearing thing. That's where we're going. Edited this next part out because you can see my oldest son Abram stimming. Abram and Benjamin are both on the autism spectrum, and I'm just not quite sure how much of that I want to share.
Mom, it's a water tank. It's a pool.
Wow, yeah, that's probably a spring running up under there.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
You just spring running underneath there. That's
So
how they
cool,
get
huh,
some
boys?
water, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes you have to detect water underground.
From?
Probably it's
A spring underground, a big well. Ultimately, I decided to include it simply because it is just part of who he is. We can go on the bridge or we can walk through the water. Which do you want to do?
Walk over the bridge.
I want to go through the water. The oxen and the mules, babe. Let's walk over there. Look, we can walk to the edge of the fence and look at them.
Oh, Mama, look! A water thing, but it's probably closed because people... Mama, you better not be wearing anything red. Are those bowls?
What's our sheep?
Are those bowls?
We can't go in there.
That's so cute.
Cool, huh, boys? I'm getting y'all by the fence.
This fence is rickety looking.
It's how they would have made a fence back in the old days.
I know.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know. Let's not mess with it, though.
Box. I don't know if they made a crate.
Look, a bridge. We can cross that bridge.
Yeah. Or we can walk through the water. You want to go across the bridge?
Yeah.
All right, y'all go across the bridge.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Mom, is this bridge safe?
Yes.
I did it.
Sturdy bridge.
All right. Hey, y'all get in the middle of it and say cheese, and I'll take your picture. Abram, go to the middle with Benjamin. Y'all stand beside each other like you know each other there. All right, cheese. All right. Got some good pictures. All right. Y'all can go ahead and go across and meet me.
Okay.
You want to go through the water with me again, Benjamin? Okay. Here, you want to hold my hand? No? You're a big boy, you can do it, huh?
Mom, I beat you.
Yep.
Where's water?
All right, let me try not to get too wet here.
Okay, then that part, that part will be drained,
Got a
right?
little more wet that time. All right, come on, boys.
I jump over this. Good job, Mom. Jump over that.
Okay, ready?
Go. Good job.
Jump over like any...
Y'all are so silly.
Mom, do it.
You want me to jump again? Ready? Oh, good job. Of course, as we get up to the stock barn, they had just finished shearing a sheep. So we ended up having to wait until the next time, but the boys still enjoyed getting to see one freshly sheared.
Okay, but just do not go closer.
Isn't that cool? Look, that sheep just got sheared. See?
What sheep?
The one he's holding.
Oh.
And see the baby lamb?
Yeah, I see it. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Sheep are cute.
You want to go pet it? You want to go pet the sheep that's been sheared? Abram's going to... Benjamin ended up being a little too nervous to pet the sheep after it had been sheared, but you could feel the lanolin on your hands after you pet it. You want to touch it? No? Okay. Come here, Abram. I see a horse that way over there, too. We'll have to walk over there in a little bit. Yep. They have free-range chickens and ducks, bud.
Quack. 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 I'm gonna say quack. Say quack and bye. Quack, bye. Quack, bye. Now say bye.
Bye.
What? Now.
I realize I can't possibly film or show y'all everything that the home place has to offer, simply because this would be a couple hour video if I did. So I tried to speed up and include what I could while also not making this video too long. Thankfully, I had also thought ahead to check the weather and saw that we might get some rain while we were there, so I had brought rain jackets, an umbrella, and things like that. All right, look at me, cheese. You're so handsome.
Cheese piece.
We actually got to talk to the woman caring for the lamb and found out that its name was actually Annie, which was so sweet. I thought, I have a great aunt that was named Aunt Annie. Again, I absolutely could not include everything. I had to delete or take out so much of the footage that I had because this video was already getting so long.
Oh, it does sound like a cowbell.
Yeah.
It's a cowbell.
Cowbell?
A cowbell on each one.
Yeah, there's another over here.
What? I want this little one.
No, we can't take them off. Isn't that cool though? It's pretty, huh?
This one. Another one. Oh!
Abram. Y'all are silly.
It's like cheese.
This spot with the orchard trees was so pretty with all the blooms. I just loved it. Just one of the many beautiful things on this earth to be thankful for.
There's the wood shed.
My map reader.
There's a vegetable garden. There's a garden crib.
So which way do we need to go?
Okay, we need to go past it, take a left, and then right there.
All right. So let's go straight.
And I can show you guys where to go back.
If you all have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask.
Do you have any questions, Abram?
No. I should have one. Is the sheep gonna be okay?
Gonna be okay.
Yeah, he's just getting a haircut.
Just
It
get a
don't hurt the
haircut,
sheep.
Just like you would get. Doesn't hurt him at all.
Yeah, as soon as he gets done with the sheep, he was going to see if 2 or 3 of y'all were going to.
No.
No, you don't think? Well, okay, all right.
I don't need a haircut.
You don't need a haircut? Well, all right, all right.
As I explained to Abram, the sheep doesn't like to sit still for its haircut, much like he doesn't like to sit still for his haircut. The shearing process doesn't actually hurt him. They just don't like to be messed with and held down. Everything produced on this farm is used. The wool is used, fruits and vegetables, things that they grow, everything produced is used and consumed. The wool is sold to people that spin it and use it to make things. So nothing is wasted. The boys actually did really good during this process. I was afraid they would lose their attention span and get bored quickly, but they did really good and entertained themselves. Alright, we're just now leaving the home place. We had a great time watching the sheep get sheared and running around to all the different things. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us. We are going back home to finish getting ready for the birthday party we get to go to. The kids each got a stuffed animal. Abram, show them what you got.
I got a cardinal.
What did you get, Benjamin?
What stuffed animal did you get?
I got this.
He got
Hold it so the camera can see. A baby bison. And then we got a baby raccoon for William. And then they each got Smokey the Bear stickers.
And by the way, I got this. I got a Star Wars spaceship.
And then they got their McDonald's Happy Toy toys. All right, so we gotta start the drive back. The sun ended up coming out toward the end. It had been cloudy and kind of misting, and it rained a little bit on us, but not too bad. That's why my hair is a little more wild. When we left the home place, I saw that the bison were up where we could see them, so we pulled over so the kids could look and so I could get some shots of them for y'all. Dada. Are you talking to? Are you talking to?
did you and Daddy do today? Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And I wanted to close out the vlog with this beautiful sunset we got to watch over the lake at the birthday party.